Hello everyone, welcome to the another session. As part of our lecture series on nanomaterials, in this video I am going to discuss about the differences or the comparison between the top to down synthesis approaches and bottom to up approach synthesis method. There is a possibility of asking this kind of question in exam to check your knowledge on different synthesis method except on one synthesis method. So, as name itself, one is under the title like top to down approach, and another is the bottom to up approach. Top to down approach in this method or in this categories, in this category, the nanomaterials are cut down into the smaller scale from the bigger to the smaller. The name indirectly tell us the exact meaning what we are following in the process of preparation of nanostructures. So whatever the methods are following this kind of behavior, those are under the category of the top to down approach. For example, mechanical milling, ball milling, lithography, etching or sputtering, all these are under the category related to the top to down approach. Mostly it is related to the mechanical method or the physical method. This method is useful especially for the bulk productions, like in industry requirement point of view. These top to down approaches are very well established in the preparation of bulk powders. But the problem with the top to down approach is we can't control the exact size of the particles, and homogeneous like similar nature or exact homogeneous means all particles should look like similar in size and shape, but it is not possible in case of mechanical method. So in case of mechanical method, the different parameters need to be maintained to obtain the nanostructures, like milling time, a sputtering like a pressure. All these parameters we need to monitor. But whereas in case of bottom up approach means self-assembly, it is generally called as self-assembly. Atoms are combined with another atom, it make it like a cluster, and cluster make it like a nanostructures. That is initially atomic level and it make it to the nanostructures. Mostly it is like either chemical method or physical method. Here initial starting chemical purity should be high as compared to the mechanical milling methods or the top to down approaches. Here homogeneous particles can be possible, like we can control the size and shape of the particles in the process of chemical synthesis method or bottom up synthesis method. In the bottom up synthesis method, the synthesis method like sol gel, co-precipitation, hydrothermal or microemulsion, microwave hydrothermal, all are related to the chemical synthesis methods are under the category like bottom to up synthesis method. But every method is unique and the procedure what we are following for the nanostructures are completely different. But the comparison point of view, top to down approach is related to the bulk productions, or inhomogeneity in the particle size can be possible, but we can't control the size of the particles and shape of the particle in case of the top to down approach, but that can be possible in case of bottom up approach by controlling the different process parameter like temperature, pH or reaction time and reaction method. So by using different ways, so there is a possibility to control the size of the particle as well as shape also we can able to alter. So this is the general comparison between the top to down approach and bottom up approach. Especially in the exam point of view, if he asks, we should draw one diagram related to the top to down approach and one diagram related to the bottom up approach, and we should explain the different scenarios like what are the parameters we need to monitor, what are the methods we need to maintain in the process of making the nanostructures or in the preparation of nanostructure. That part we need to discuss in the top to down and bottom up synthesis method comparison or differences. Thank you.